What if I told you that teaching your child how to use just 100 rupee today can decide how they handle 1 crore rupees tomorrow? Most people struggle with money not because they earn less, but because nobody taught them what to do with small money. Today, I'll share a simple rule every parent and child can start using today. The 100 rupee rule. Schools teach maths. Colleges teach careers. But nobody teaches money habits. That's why even educated adults struggle with savings, debt, and stress. Money habits are not learned when we earn our first salary. They are learned when we handle our first pocket money. And parents, this part is important. Your child does not need more money. They need better money habits. Imagine giving your child 100 rupees. Instead of spending everything, we divide it into 4 simple parts. This one habit can change how your child thinks about money for life. Let me show you how. Jar number 1. Spend 50 rupees. This money is for fun. Snacks, toys, games, small joys. Spending is not bad, but spending everything is. This jar teaches kids one powerful lesson. Enjoy money, but with limits. Jar number 2. Save 30 rupees. This money is not touched today. It's saved for later. Saving teaches patience. It teaches waiting. And waiting builds discipline. Kids who learn to save early don't panic about money later in life. Jar number 3. Grow 10 rupees. This money teaches the most powerful lesson. Money can grow. Parents can invest this money any instruments that gives good returns. The amount is small, but the lesson is huge. Jar number 4. Give 10 rupees. Helping someone. Feeding animals. Donating to a cause. This jar teaches gratitude. Money is not just for us. It's also for doing good. Parents, always remember one important rule. Don't control every rupee. Guide instead. Let kids make small mistakes now, so they don't make big mistakes later. Better to lose 50 rupees at age 10 than 50,000 rupees at age 25. If your child learns money discipline early, success becomes a habit, not luck. Start with 100 rupees. Build habits for life. Subscribe to FiinBuddy for simple money lessons for kids and parents. Because smart money habits start early.